Hey Class FitSugar, it's me, Jayen Wells, and I'm here with your 10-minute dance workout. I have my friend Adele and my friend Brandi, and we're gonna get into the gig. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. We're gonna start with our dance cardio warm-up, okay? You're gonna follow me, Adele, and Brandi, and we're gonna get you warm. You ready?
Yeah!
Let's grapevine 4 steps 4. Back to center, stay here for 4. Uh-oh. That's okay, we warming up. Hey, stay here for 4.
Okay.
There we go.
Here we go.
Step forward 8 times right. 6 more. Ooh. Now we're going right to left. We got 8. 4 more. 4, 3, 4 steps forward. 4. Now side to side 4 times. 4. Hey, let's do that one more time. I said, ooh, drag it side to side. 4, 3, let's grapevine to the right. Hey, 2 steps forward and then to the side. Side, let's grapevine again. Hey, ooh, now we feeling
there it is.
2 forward,
Got it.
to the side, jumping jacks, here we go. Hey. Okay, jumping, Destiny's Child.
Hey.
We got 8 more. 6, 4, 2, and let's march it out. New part of your warm-up.
Oh.
Left foot forward, slow. Left. Now go wide, little box step. We're going 4. 2 more. Now 1 more. You got it. Let's go tempo. We're going, hey. On. And let's do 2 more. Here we go. We're gonna march it out and we're gonna grapevine again. We're going 4. Hey, 2 steps forward to the side. Grapevine. Hey, this is our baseline.
All right. Hey.
What you call me? Here we go. Let's do that one more time. Grapevine and our 4-step combo. Here we go. 2 forward. To the side. Let's do some jacks. Hey.
Woo.
Okay, are we sweating yet?
I'm getting warm.
Yeah, Annie, we got 8. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work, y'all. Hope you have a little bit of a sweat. So we're gonna start our choreography section, Annie. We're gonna go very slow from the top, and we're gonna stack on your movements, okay? You ready, B?
I'm ready.
You ready, A? Here we go. Hands overhead, nice and slow. You're going 1, 2. We're just learning it here. 3 and 4. Let's do that again. I said 1, 2, 3. Let's try it tempo. It's a little quicker. Let's go. Here we go. 1, 2. Hey, let's do it again. I said 1, 2. Oh, one more time. Let's go, y'all.
Got it. 1, 2. Hey.
Oh, let's do it one more time for continuity. Hey, come on, continuity. Kick your right foot
That got
nice
me.
and slow. Kick and step. Kick and step. Let's keep going so you have it in your body. Let's add a little speed. Go kick ball high, kick ball high. Woo. And stop. Yeah?
All right.
Let's connect that from the top. Nice and slow. We got 1, 2,
Hey.
3. What's next? 4. Kick ball change. We're gonna kick and step. Hey, let's try that tempo. You ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 1, 2. Kick ball change. Hey, let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say 1. Kick ball change. Hey, let's move on. This should seem familiar from your warm-up. We're going step, step. I snuck it in there. Hey, hey.
All right.
Okay, 4 times. Then we're gonna hip rock, hip and down, hip and down. Let's just get this movement in. 5, 6. Let's start that box step. We're going narrow, hop, step wide, hip and step. Hop that hip. just like this. Hey, okay, can we try it with that tempo?
Yeah, okay.
Here we go. Left foot forward, narrow stance. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We got, hey, hip that dip. Hey, should we try it again?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, let's do it. Here we go. We got 1. Hip dip. Oh, she said, she liked that part. All right, that's your first choreo block. We have more choreography for you. We're gonna move on to block 2 and teach you some more. You ready?
Yeah.
Yes, Hanny, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, so our next step, we're gonna hop 4 times to the right. Let's just start it now. We're gonna hop, here 2 on the left. From here, lift up your leg 3 times and put it down. Yes, let's recenter back out. We're gonna do it again slow. We're going hop, hop, spider time. There's a spider on the floor.
Not Charlotte.
Come on, Charlotte, here we go. 5, let's go tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, got 1. Spider. Yes, 5, 6 again. 5, 6, one more time. We say, hey. Ha. Yes, let's move on, alrighty? You're gonna step out with your hand, stop the presses, sumo squat, shoulder, and together. Here we go. Let's face the side. We're gonna stop, drop, pop, and lock.
Ooh,
5, 6,
okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. Stop, drop, pop, and lock. Hey, let's do it again. I said stop, drop, pop, and lock. One more time.
Again?
Here we go. Stop, drop, pop, and lock. From here, you're going 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey. All righty, let's do it again. Here we go. 5, 6 from the hop to Charlotte. Here we go. Hop, hop, hop. Lift your leg. 3, 2, stop, drop, hop, and lock. Stop, drop,
Hop and lock.
hop, hop.
Hop and lock.
Hey, hoppy hop. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go from the top one more time.
Oh.
Here we go. We're doing 5, 6 from the top, super slow. We got 1, 2, kick, ball, change. Box step with that left. Left. Hey. We're gonna hit and dip. Charlotte Webb hop. I'm hopping, I'm popping, I'm dipping, I'm moving. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop, drop, pop, and lock. I got my shoulders. Hey, they never stop. That was our last and final block. This is our final song. We're gonna do it about 3 times total. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, she said she ready, she ready. Let's go slow from the top and just refresh your memory. 6, 7, 8, got 1. On, kick, ball, change. Box step on that left. Hips, hip, and dip. I said what? Here we go, hop,
Right.
Charlotte's Web. We got, hey. Lift the legs 3 times. 3,
Ooh. All right.
stop, pop, and lock. We got that stop. Drop, pop, and lock. I said, ooh, it never stops. Hey, okay. Now we're gonna try tempo. Here we go, march it out with me. Tempo's pretty quick, but you got it. It's gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, all right? You ready?
Yes, let's go.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, kick, ball, change. And box. Hip and dip, what you call me? Hey, spider. Coming up, pop, lock, and drop, hop. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Hey! And that was our last move. Now we're gonna get into the last song and we're gonna do it a couple of times. We'll review it from the top, nice and slow to remind the brain, and then we're gonna pick it up, okay?
Okay.
All right,
Do it.
now let's get into it nice and slow. First move, hand above. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow. Good, kick, ball, change. Box step on the left, we're going left. Then hip to the left, say what? Ooh.
To the left.
Now jump to the right, here we go. Ooh. spider on the floor. Ah,
Oh no.
there's a spider on the floor. Here we go. Pop, lock, drop, shoulder. Ooh, hey, there it is. All right? Let's march it out. Let's get the rhythm. Listen to the piano. Listen to the keys. We're going to do it from the top. You ready?
Let's go.
Here we go. I'm ready. Let me get ready. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Hey, kickball change. Box step. Hip to the left. Jump to the right. Spider. Pop, lock, and drop.
Hey.
Ooh, how was that feeling?
I think
y'all did it. I think y'all did it. Let's do it
Okay.
2 more times. Yes?
Let's go.
Here we go. Let's just bounce it out. It don't matter what you look like. Look at me. It's all about fun. 5, 6, 5, 6. Let's do it again. Hey. Ooh, kick. Box step. Hip to the left.
Hey.
Hey, jump to the right. Spider time. What? Pop and lock.
Hey.
Yeah!
Us.
Should we try one more time?
One more time.
Third time is the charm, boo.
One time.
Here we go. Let's just start here. All right, take a deep breath. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Kick ball. Box step on the left. Hip to the left. Hop to the right. Spider.
Hey.
Pop. Woo! All right, y'all. Y'all burn all the sugar in the tank. All right. Come on, Adele. Come on, B. Thanks for dancing with us in our dance cardio class. We'll see you next time at our next Class FitSugar class. Oh, toodaloo.